Hey guys, I am just updating you on day 3 of my 5-day nutritive cleanse with Young Living, and sorry about the lighting. It is late at night again, and I just took a detox bath with some Epsom salts with some essential oils in there and some baking soda in there, and that was so helpful. So let me tell you a little bit about day 3. So today I woke up and I felt pretty good. I was actually really grateful to not have a headache like the day before. I am doing this with a group of my Young Living team members, and a few of them had headaches yesterday and felt kind of yucky. In fact, one girl was sick to her stomach part of the day. Another girl had achy joints, and today I had achy joints for a little bit. Now I feel really great after taking that detox bath. I don't feel any aches now. So I think the Epsom salts and just like detoxing a little bit that way was really great. But I was a little achy, and so I went online and just kind of did a little digging, a little research on symptoms for detox. And achy joints is one. Actually feeling congested or like you're getting sick, like a cold can be one. Headache is obviously one. Sour stomach is one. So a lot of these things that some of my team members are seeing is part of just the toxins getting, out of your body or being released and then flushed out. So hopefully, we're hoping tomorrow is going to be a turnaround day and we'll start to feel better. But if not, we've only got 2 more days to go, so grateful for that. I did end up snacking quite a bit today using the snacks. I had an orange for my morning snack and an apple for my afternoon snack, and then I ended up having 2 snacks tonight. So I had the rice cake with the almond butter, and I was so excited to eat plain yogurt, which I jokingly posted on Facebook. The only time you're ever excited to eat plain yogurt is when you're on the 5-day nutritive cleanse. But yeah, so far it's going well, and today was a little bit better than yesterday, so hoping that tomorrow is really great, and I will keep you posted. So if you want to follow from the beginning, just go back to video 1, and if you want to check out my weight loss journey, I am doing Weight Watchers, so you can check that out, and my channel has tons of other videos about essential oils and natural health and all that stuff. So alrighty, have a good night.